Brian. What are you doing?
I'm just reading some messages we got on social media regarding the Black Friday sale. Dear Worldwide RV, can you please extend the Black Friday sale? Couldn't make it during your sale. My family would not leave.
Oh, yeah.
Dear Worldwide RV, please extend the Black Friday sale. I could not get off the couch.
Oh, yeah.
I think they ate too much.
Oh, we all did,
You
right?
got to put 15. So one time a year, you put 15 things on a plate. It's the obligatory. Grandma brought it, so I better have it on the plate, and she better see me eating it.
Right.
Couldn't get off the couch. There's that. Oh, here's one. Hey, Worldwide, can you please extend the Black Friday sale? Did not have a chance to get in last Friday. I was battling the masses at the mall.
No. Yeah.
I hate that.
Yeah.
You know. Oh, what do you think? Do you think we should extend it?
Yeah, but you probably should make it official.
You think I should go official?
Yeah, probably.
All right. Well, let's do it. Let's go official. Let's do this. How about right here? Is this good? Okay, give me a count. All right, folks, you asked for it. This is Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for WorldWide RV. In case you missed the Black Friday sales event, it sounds like some of you did, we're going to extend it today through the end of business, Saturday, December 2nd. You got it. Black Friday sales event has been extended. We'll see you here.